Welcome! In this quick explainer for our course, From Insights to Action, we're going to walk you through a whole new way of working, one where you can use Google's most powerful AI tools to get smarter, faster, and just plain better results in your day-to-day role.
Okay, let's start with a feeling I bet we all know. That feeling of being stuck in a digital traffic jam, where all of this amazing technology actually seems to create more friction than flow.
Does any of this look familiar? I mean, jumping between a dozen different apps just to pull one report together? Drowning in a sea of documents, emails, and notifications? Or, my personal favorite, just staring at that blinking cursor on a blank page, trying to write that perfect first sentence. These little things, they really add up, and they're exactly what this course is designed to solve.
So we're going to show you how to move from just using separate tools to leveraging a fully integrated AI ecosystem. And look, this isn't about adding another app to your plate. Nope. It's about making the ones you already use work together way, way smarter.
All right, so where do we even begin? Well, with the most important piece of the puzzle, trust. I mean, before you can really innovate, you have to feel secure, right? This first section is all about building that foundation and tackling one of the biggest concerns for any business looking at AI. And that brings us to this really key idea. We call it the AI trust gap. It's the huge difference between public AI models that learn from, well, everything on the internet and a super secure, enterprise-grade environment. The main thing to remember is simple. With Google's approach, your business data is never, ever used to train public models. It stays yours, period.
You're going to get hands-on with these core principles. We're talking everything from making sure your data stays your data to setting up clear rules for how AI gets used. This is how AI stops being a risk you have to worry about and starts being a partner you can actually rely on.
Okay, once that foundation of trust is solid, we get to the fun part. We're going to introduce you to your new AI teammates. And these aren't some separate, clunky programs. They're built right into the tools you're already using every single day.
First up, Gemini in Workspace. Seriously, think of it like having a co-pilot sitting right next to you. In Gmail, it helps you just demolish that inbox. In Docs, it can turn a messy brain dump into a polished report. You'll learn how to get rid of all that daily friction and go from a blank page to a finished draft in minutes.
Next, we'll dive into AI Studio. And look, this is so much more than just a chatbot. It's like a professional sandbox with special modules designed for really high-level work. We'll show you how you can use it to whip up campaign-ready images, get instant feedback on your presentation skills, and even compare expert opinions, so you're not stuck with just one point of view.
And to help you finally conquer that mountain of information, you're going to meet NotebookLM. Just imagine this. You feed it up to 50 different sources. We're talking reports, links, even YouTube videos. And in seconds, it spits back clear, cited summaries and insights. It's a total game changer, especially if your job involves a ton of research.
Now, the secret sauce that makes all of these tools work so well, it's one skill: prompting. This course is going to teach you how to go from asking simple, casual questions to crafting really structured, professional prompts that get you exactly what you need every single time. That's what turns AI from a fun toy into a real productivity powerhouse. All right, so you've met the individual players. Now we're going to show you how to get them working together as a team. This is where AI really levels up, going from a personal assistant to a full-on enterprise-wide automation engine. We are going to teach you how to stop that endless app hopping. You know what I mean. Instead of logging into Salesforce, then hopping over to Jira, then opening your email just to pull a report, you'll learn how to use a single prompt to get a complete, unified view of everything, all pulling live data from all your key platforms.
And the magic that makes all of this happen? It's a tool called Agentspace. In the course, we'll do a deep dive, but think of it like an orchestra conductor for your whole digital workspace. It doesn't replace your apps. It just gets them all to play together in perfect harmony.
So, what does that actually look like in practice? Well, in this part of the course, we're going to walk you through building automated workflows just like this one. You'll see how you can chain these specialized agents together to handle really complex processes, from pulling data to sending the final email, all kicked off by just one simple request from you. It's pretty amazing. And the best part? This whole system is designed to grow with you. You can start with something like unified search across all your apps, which is already huge, right? But from there, you can actually build your own army of custom AI assistants, all without writing a single line of code, each one built for your specific workflows.
And finally, we get to the best part, the payoff. Because this course isn't just about learning cool new tech.
It's about mastering a whole new way of working, one that delivers real, measurable results for you and your whole organization.
So, what are we talking about here? How about reclaiming up to 10 hours of your week? Just think about that for a second. That's not just about shaving a few minutes off a task. That's about freeing up a huge chunk of your time to focus on the strategic, creative work that actually moves the needle.
We'll teach you to think about the ROI here in 3 layers. Layer 1, yeah, it's about saving time, obviously. But then there's layer 2, improving the quality and consistency of your work. And layer 3, which is so important, is about boosting employee satisfaction. You get to take away the boring stuff and let your team focus on what they're truly great at.
At the end of the day, that's our goal here, to give you the tools, the confidence, and the skills to make AI a central part of your daily workflow. So you can turn all that raw data into powerful insights and then turn those insights into real business success.
So we'll leave you with that question to think about. What's that one time-sucking workflow you would automate first? Because figuring that out, well, that's the first step on your journey for insight to action.